Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well.
Body like the candy shop. Pick your poison, different flavors for the choosing. Yeah, I gotta lie. You can't explain it till you hit the spot.
So guys, in today's video I am collaborating with a company called Co. So they are a cosmetic makeup bag range. They do travel bags, makeup cosmetic bags. They also do makeup brushes and some lip brushes as well. And I just thought this was an amazing opportunity to work with this brand, so I obviously said yes, and they kindly gifted me a makeup bag to share with you guys. So I'll insert a little video of the bag now. So basically I'm just going to be showing you inside of the bag. So these cosmetic bags are so good, guys. They've got little compartments so that you can put all your things that stand up. So I've got my Wee Cherie setting mist in here. I've got some lip products. They've got like these little elastic bands so that it can keep all your liquids upright. I've been using this now for the last couple of days and I absolutely love it. I've kept it on my vanity. So I've got my L'Oreal SPF in here. I've got my foundation. I've got my serum. It literally keeps everything in here. It's so good, and it's got these side things so nothing falls out, and it's also got these handles, so you know, if you're like in a hotel room you can hang it on the little hooks. If you're in your caravan you can have this open caravan like complex, and you go into like those shower cubicles and stuff. They've got these little handles so you can hang up all your stuff so it doesn't get wet. It holds so much. It even holds an eyeshadow palette, guys. And this is quite a biggish eyeshadow palette as well. So I'm absolutely over the moon with mine. And I just thought I'd show you it all laid out. Literally, this has got all of my everyday essential makeup in here, and it's going to be perfect for when I go away in the caravan. Like I say, it's got like these mesh pockets here, so you can put, I put like my primers and liquid blushes, my bronzers. I've got a big tub of powder in here. This makeup bag holds so much, and it's also got a pocket here so you can put your mobile phone in here, you can put your change for lockers in here. So good and ideal even for like going to the gym as well, if you're like do your makeup after you've been to the gym, or you can even put like your skincare products in here. If you go into the gym you could put your skincare in there, you could put like a flannel and stuff in there. This is so versatile, and they do so many other bags and travel essentials on their website as well. So I just thought I'd give you a quick pan of what's in my bag. So Co. are a cosmetic, makeup, toiletry, overnight bag. And they kindly sent me this over in a collaboration to do a video with them. And obviously you guys know I love my makeup. I can't get enough makeup bags and makeup storage and things like that. So this bag has been on my vanity for the last few days, and it's got all my essential makeup products in. It is such a bag, a big bag. You can get all your everyday essential makeup in here. I've even managed to get in quite big eyeshadow palette in here as well. So it is really spacious. It's got multiple compartments in there, guys. So you've got a storage part here to pop your toothbrush in if you're going overnight, if you're having a girls' night. It's got mesh pockets to put like your foundations in, your liquids if you've got skincare and stuff like that. It's got little elastic bands in there as well so that you can put things to stand up in. I've put my little serums and stuff in there. You've got a little zipper in the middle So there's a little zipper part in the middle, so you can put either like your cards in there, your brushes. Really quite a big bag. You can pack quite a lot in this bag. It's also got little side parts on there, so nothing spills out all over the place, which I absolutely hate. When I'm doing my makeup, I want it all in one place, and this bag is absolutely ideal for that. It's a really gorgeous size as well. It's a really good size, 23.5 centimeters by 9.25 inches. I will leave a link to their online boutique and you guys can go check them out. They are really, really good and affordable makeup bags. And they have kindly gifted me 2 more bags for you guys. So we are going to be doing a cheeky little giveaway, guys. So I will announce the winner on the 8th of July. So that is a Saturday on the 8th of July. So make sure that you are watching, and I will do a generator on my phone, a YouTube generator, and you guys will win a cosmetics bag. But not only a cosmetics bag, I'm gonna pop some goodies in the cosmetics bags as well, just for you guys, to say a little bit of a thank you. I have been seeing an increase in my subscriber links, and we have hit the 4,000 watch hours. Oh my god, I am so grateful, guys. I am really grateful. And these collaborations and working with different brands and stuff like that wouldn't be possible without you guys. So this is just my little way of thanking you guys for all of your love and support. So you will get a makeup bag with some goodies in there as well. To enter the giveaway, you must obviously be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below what your favourite makeup brand is or makeup product, and also leave your Instagram handle down below. And you also, for the last entry, you must also follow me on Instagram so that I can follow you back, and we can, whoever wins the giveaway, I will obviously come and contact you over on Instagram. Whew, that is saying that. So I'm going to show you a few little goodies that you could win in the bag. So it is open internationally, and it will be only 2 winners for this time around, guys. A hand mask. I love these hand masks. So these are the Oops Pop Bling Oops hand masks. So the winner will get one of those. You'll also get some under eye masks. So these are from Masking, and these are from Masking, and they're the aloe vera under eye masks. I use these all the time. They are so good, and you'll get one of these each. You'll either get a Masking's lavender and chamomile face mask, or you'll get the rose and green tea face mask. You'll both get one of these, which is the Colbert MD Intensifying Face Discs. One of you will get this, which is the Bleach London shampoo, a mini. One of you will get this little sleep oil. So this is from Primark. It's their Sleep Facial Oil. Got a little Primark eyeshadow palette. So one of you will get one of these, and it's not been opened. It's still got the plastic wrapper on there. One of you might win one of these. So it's the Midnight colour palette from BEAUTYESSENTIALS. One of you might win one of these, which is the Cali Ling Angel palette. I've also got a BH Cosmetics palette here as well, and it has got the plastic seal on. I have some little perfume samples. So these are from Mora Is More, Judith Limbier, for her little perfume. So there are 4 in here, so I'll have to open this up and you'll get 2 vials of perfume. You'll either get a blue or a nude little clip. I have 4 nail polishes, so you'll get 2 in each. So I've got an orange, a baby pink, a glitter, and a red. So I'm going to pop all those into these little giveaway bags for my lucky winners. Like I said, just to enter into the giveaway, you must 1, be subscribed to my channel. 2, I will be checking as well, guys. So 1, be subscribed to my channel. 2, like this video. 3, Comment down below your Instagram handle and your favourite brand of makeup. And the last one is to be following me on Instagram. So I want to thank Durin for this opportunity of collaborating with me today in today's video. Thank you so much for giving me 2 extra bags for my lucky subscribers to win. I want to thank you so much for that. I am extremely grateful that you reached out to me to do this collaboration. And yeah, so that is my bag, and like I say, you can get quite a lot of stuff in this bag as well, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little one, but it was a good one, and the entry for this video will end on the 8th of July. So on the 8th of July, I will announce the winner, and then I will contact you through Instagram. Have a fabulous day, weekend, whatever you are doing, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Like the candy shop, pick your poison, different flavors for the choosing. Yeah, I gotta lie, you can't explain it till you hit the spot. He gon'